Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a little different video today. Today, we're going to be repairing slash repurposing some speakers I made way back in the 90s with my buddy Frank. Frank is out there. Maybe he's watching this video. He's going to get these speakers gifted to him since we worked so hard on them so long ago. But I've been experimenting with these. These are an extra set. I used in a surround system. We're going to put the original tweeters back in. You guys probably are going to hate these tweeters if you're real speaker people, but these sound amazing paired with this mid-bass driver that I have in here, so don't judge. But hey, let's get into it. Let's get into the swap, and we'll talk about it some more later. My buddy Frank and I are going to start a podcast. There'll be an announcement coming on that soon. Probably start on this channel on a different day, but maybe flip to another channel. We'll see. Announcement coming. Okay guys, here they are. They're a little dusty and dirty. I put these cheapo tweeters in here just messing around with them, trying to do different measurement things and stuff that I thought was kind of fun. But I'm going to go ahead and pop these out, and I'm going to put the other ones in. Let me show you those. These are the original ones I had in there. Let me show you mine. These are mine, and these have the original tweeters still. Love the sound of these with these. I bought these on a buyout sale. I think they were made by like Bravox or something like that. Amazing sound with these two together. Crossover about 5K. So anyway, back down in here, these already have the original crossovers in them. So I just need to swap these tweeters in, back in, I should say. Let me pull these out and you can see a close-up of what they look like. I took these out too because I was experimenting with 3D printing some inserts basically for these as they fit on the cabinet, but I don't think I'm going to install those on this set and just get them back to original and get them out of here. I can't believe I didn't have push down connectors on these. Don't judge me guys, don't judge me. I guess we can talk a little bit about the build while we're doing this. These are all made of 3/4 MDF. I think there's some 1/2-inch type particle board for the backs on these that are inset, but you can see here it's 3/4 inch MDF. These were soldered at one point. I'm going to go down and see if I have any of those slide-on connectors for these that I can crimp and make that happen before I put these back in. But you can see that they were originally made for this size. I'll probably clean up these edges a little bit, put them back in there. Maybe put a little gasket on the back. We'll see. This is what I'm talking about, guys. These type of connectors where I can crimp these onto the end of the wire and just slide them on. Okay guys, I have them crimped on. This is our positive side, which I always make my gold the positive, and we're gonna see if I can get you to get a view in there. That's on the positive side, and we got us a little extra wire on this terminal that we're gonna have to deal with. Guys, able to get that off with a pair of snips. We can put the negative side on. Boom. And we're going to make sure we can fit in there. Oh yeah, perfect. We can make that fit. Now, that one's a little crooked. We're going to make it a little adjustment. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go, before I spill all this, I'll move this over here. We're going to go find our pan head screws, and we're going to put them down in here. We're going to be very careful not to put a hole in our tool. Okay guys, there is the finished project. I did get that a little too tight, crack that, dang it. But hey, I think we got them halfway straight. We got our pan heads in. Pan heads aren't quite right for that size, but it's doing okay. Not bad for, gosh, I bet we built these 20 years ago. Because if you look at the part number here, 275065 from Parts Express, it's a Dayton 1/2-inch Mylar tweeter. It's discontinued. You can't buy that anymore. There's the details on it. I'll leave it up here for a minute if you guys want that. I've probably got a spec sheet around here if I go around look for it, but that's going to take me forever. So if I find it, maybe I'll post it as a post on YouTube and see. But well, maybe we'll hook these up and test them out real quick. Forgive the mess up here, but they are up there and hooked up. I'm going to find some YouTube-friendly music to play. How about a little Otis McDonald? And I'm sure the sound's not going to be great for you, as it is here for me, but because this camera's not going to capture it perfectly. But here we go. Say hi to Nancy. They work good. Well, hey guys, that's all we have for today. Let me know if you want to know more about these things. We're going to make a few more of these probably on the channel. I got some other projects I want to do with these, and just kind of get back into this a little bit. It's something I really loved to do way back when, and just kind of get back into the things I used to love to do. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. New videos coming all the time. We'll see you next time.